Hey there, entrepreneurs and dreamers. Have you ever thought about starting your own business in the land of opportunity, the United States? Well, today's your lucky day because we're going to show you how to do just that. Whether you're a U.S. resident or a non-U.S. resident, forming a limited liability company or LLC is a popular and advantageous option. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and get ready to embark on this exciting journey of creating your own LLC in the USA. What is a limited liability company? Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's briefly understand what a limited liability company is. An LLC is a business structure that separates the business from its owners legally. This means that as a business owner, you won't be personally held responsible for your company's liabilities and debts. How cool is that? Steps to forming an LLC as a non-U.S. resident. Now, let's get down to business. If you're a non-U.S. resident, here are the essential steps to forming your LLC in the USA. Step 1. Ensure you have the correct visas. First things first, you'll need the right visa to work in the USA. There are a few options, including the green card or the investor visas, such as E2 or EB5. The E2 visa is the most common path for foreign LLC owners. It requires investing capital into your LLC and creating job opportunities for U.S. citizens. Of course, marrying a U.S. citizen, being sponsored by a U.S. family member, or winning the green card lottery are also valid paths. So, get your visa sorted, and let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Choose a state. Every LLC needs a home, and choosing the right state to form your LLC is crucial. While you can pick any state, some are more foreign-friendly than others. For example, Delaware is a popular choice as it offers benefits like tax exemptions for business done outside the state. A good LLC service provider, like Taylor Brands, can guide you in selecting the perfect state for your business. Step 3. Choose a name. Now comes the fun part, choosing a name for your LLC. It should be unique and not already registered by another business. Do a quick trademark search to avoid any legal issues down the road. Don't worry, services like Taylor Brands offer business name check services, so you can easily find out if your desired name is available. Step 4. Apply for an ITIN, Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. As a non-U.S. resident, you won't have a U.S. Social Security number, but you'll need one for tax purposes. Enter the ITIN, your personal tax number, which you can apply for through the IRS. Once you have your ITIN, you can then obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number, for your LLC. Step 5. Choose a registered agent. Every LLC needs a responsible party to receive tax documents and legal notices. This is where a registered agent comes in. While you can be your own registered agent, using a service like Taylor Brands Registered Agent Service is a smart choice. They can provide a U.S. business address, which will come in handy for opening a U.S. business bank account. Step 6. Prepare an operating agreement. Now, let's talk about the importance of an LLC operating agreement. This document outlines how your LLC will be operated and is required in most states, especially for LLCs with multiple owners. It covers critical aspects like profit sharing and decision-making authority. Don't fret, you don't need to hire a lawyer for this. Taylor Brands offers pre-written and customizable operating agreement templates, saving you both time and money. Step 7. File your LLC. Finally, it's time to make it official. You'll need to file your LLC formation documents in your chosen state and pay the necessary fees, which vary from state to state. This is where the magic happens, and your LLC officially comes to life. Choosing the right LLC service provider. Before we wrap up, let's discuss the best LLC service provider to make your journey smooth and hassle-free. Why choose Taylor Brands? We recommend Taylor Brands as your go-to LLC service provider. Why? Well, let me tell you. Filing speed, time is of the essence, and Taylor Brands offers ultra-fast filing, sometimes completing the process in as little as 1 day. No more waiting around for weeks. Cost-effective, Taylor Brands offers simple filing services with no additional fees. You can effectively get a free LLC filing service. Plus, they provide a range of additional services like a registered agent, EIN provision, and annual compliance support. User-friendly, who doesn't love an easy and seamless process? Taylor Brands' platform is user-friendly, and you can complete the filing in as little as 5 minutes. Saving time and effort. Full suite of services, Taylor Brands understands what an LLC business owner needs and offers a full suite of services to support you throughout your entrepreneurial journey. So, are you ready to take the leap and start your LLC journey in the United States? Remember, with an LLC, you'll protect your assets and enjoy tax flexibility, giving your business the best chance to succeed. Check out Taylor Brands today and begin building your dreams in the land of opportunities. So to start us off, what exactly is Taylor Brands? Taylor Brands is the world's pioneer AI-driven all-in-one solution for businesses that want to form their LLC, but that is not all there is to it. Taylor Brands is really a one-stop shop because it also provides you with literally everything you need to kickstart your business in literal minutes, including a logo maker, website builder, domain registrars, business mailbox, digital business cards, website designers, branded merchandise, registered agent, EIN, operating agreement, and or even annual report filing. They have literally everything you need to kickstart a business. And what types of businesses does Taylor Brands serve? Well, Taylor Brands will help you quickly form an LLC for your business, whether it deals in physical goods services, hospitality, original content, technology and software, or literally anything else. Whatever business you have, you can get it set up on Taylor Brands. So, what's the process for applying for an LLC with Taylor Brands? Well, you can apply for an LLC in just 3 simple steps, and let me just tell you about them. Step 1. Specify your state. So on the Taylor Brands official website, you'll see a Choose Your State field. Click on the drop-down menu and choose your state. After that, click on Get Started. As simple as that. Step 2. Respond to some simple questions. Next, you will come across a series of questions that you have to respond to. These questions simply help the platform understand what your business is all about, seeing as you respond with things like the name of your business, what things you will offer, whether you will have employees, what stage is your business at, and so on. You'll also have to provide your personal information, for example, your name and email address. And of course, this information will not be shared with anyone else. It's just used for forming your LLC. Step 3. Just simply submit your LLC. Once you've provided all the necessary information, Taylor Brands will then submit your LLC application, and yes, that is it. It literally takes less than 5 minutes of your time and you'll have an LLC submitted. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and start your entrepreneurial journey. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and that's all for today.